Have you ever wondered what is the correct way to use the law of attraction day by day in a practical way? Well, hey, that rhymed. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how and what I do every day using the law of attraction to attract an abundant life. But before that, my name is Valentine, and I know that with the proper mindset, that we can attract abundance, love, and prosperity, whatever our heart desires. Jeez. Anyway, so let's get to the video. Oh, and hit that subscribe button if you like this video and want to see more videos like this, and hit the like button if you like it. Okay, so I'm kind of excited. I love talking about this stuff. So when I wake up from 8:30, anywhere from 10:30, depending on how late I stayed up working. I always give myself around 7 to 7.5 hours of sleep. I take caffeine right away because I am the worst at mornings, and it's probably because I just said I am the worst at mornings that I am the worst at mornings, because our subconscious is always listening. When I wake up, I immediately visualize what I want in life. I say at least 5 things that I'm grateful for. If I'm feeling crazy, I'll do 10, depending on how tired I am. The morning is the hardest for me. It really is. I am really, really bad at mornings. And I know I shouldn't say that, but it's the truth. I could use the law of attraction to make it better, but I'm using it for so many other things. I can deal with the mornings. But, you know, we all have our weaknesses, right? So I wake up. I have my caffeine, I say 5 to 10 things that I am grateful for, and I really try and feel that gratefulness in my stomach or in my head, wherever you feel it. And then I'll get on Reddit because I am weak. So I don't get on Reddit, which is probably not a good thing, because I try to stay away from the news. If I see a Reddit like post on the news or something negative, I quickly scroll past it. And I'm serious. I really, really do that. I definitely suggest you stay away from negative news lines because Reddit is a very negative place. So look for the funny dog videos, cute baby videos, whatever you like, dank memes, whatever floats your scrote, right? So I get on Reddit, which I should probably get away from. I should probably go straight into my next thing, which is taking my dog out. So I have a 75-pound white Siberian Husky. I don't know if it's fat or muscle. I don't know. He pulls me on the skateboard for like 2 miles, or he did when he was younger. He's going to do it this winter because I want to preserve him. It sounded like a Frankenstein thing, Dr. Frankenstein. So I go and walk him, let him use the restroom, do about 5-10 minutes. Feels good, you know, wake up in nature, whatever. Go through my visualization again, you know, not something serious, just enjoy the day, look and kind of go over in my head what I want to do. When I get back, I have some water, I light some candles, and I do a 15 to 20 minute meditation, depending on how late I woke up. 15, of course, if I woke up later. I have to do my meditation. If I don't, many of you people know I have a chemical imbalance in my head, which was told by my psychiatrist. We don't know that for sure. Or I guess they did my blood work. I don't know. I don't understand it. All I know is that I'm a very happy person. I usually can get over my anxiety through meditation. If I don't do my meditation, if I don't work out, I am freaking screwed. So meditation has saved my life. It really has. So I do 15 to 20 minutes of that. If you're wondering what I do for meditation, it's if you take it seriously, you're not going to do a meditation because you're just worried about if you're doing it right. I do a couple different things. So I have my candles lit. I might even rub some lavender essential oil on my arms to get that smell. I think aromatherapy is very important. I will lock myself in the bathroom or in my room. If the animals are being quiet, because we have a rowdy baby cat that's like huge, but still a baby, but freaking insane, and just jumps all over the place and ruins things. His name's Roswell. So if he's being quiet and asleep, I will do it on the couch and put on. Okay, so we have a TV in there, so I will put on. Right now, I have it playing actually, and it's Abundance. Look up Abundance meditation music, and some of it says like the hertz that HZ that connects to our subconscious mind. I look for something like that because it's fun. I think it's cool. I don't know if it works, but I like it. It sounds good. I don't know if you can hear it now. I have it while I work. So I'll have that on. I'll have the candle. I'll have my essential oils, which doesn't take long. It's not a long prep. I open it up on my Xbox One, you know, the YouTube video. And then I will sit cross-legged in a very comfortable place. I have lower back issues from deadlifting wrong when I was younger. Don't deadlift wrong. Use proper form, people. And so I will put my back to something, and I will put my thumb and middle finger together. I forgot why that is, but it's important that you do that, I guess. I just do it because it's a habit now, and plus it makes me look like a real Buddha guru guy. But it feels good. And I'll keep my arms up. Another thing that I have a pet peeve is I always take my shoes off. I feel like it grounds me better. I will take my socks off sometimes if I'm not cold. So what I will do is I will close my eyes and I will count my breaths real slow. 1. I'll even go slower than that, and I'll go up to 10. And then I will, this is important. You could just do that the whole meditation and be fine. I will also breathe into my chakras, which we have the root. I'm still learning them all. It's something kind of new to me. The root, the navel, the sacral, whatever. There's a couple of them, and I'll go through each one. Not sure if it works, but it feels good. Or I'll breathe through the bottom of my feet, which is just like trying to imagine air going through your feet. I'll do my feet. I'll do my belly button. I'll do my chest. I'll do my palms. I will do my neck. I'll do the front of my head, my third eye, and I will do the top of my head. Oh, and not the chest. I do my heart. Sorry. And that feels really good. If I'm getting bored of that and I feel like I'm not getting into the moment, sometimes I will. Like today, like sometimes I'll get chills like through my whole body. Sometimes it's really weird, and I'll just get chills straight down to the right or just to the left. Or if a beat in the music hits, I will get a rush of chills from that beat in the music. It's insane. It feels so good. It's crazy. That's the stuff you can get into meditation. I'm not a professional, so if I can do it, you can do it. And so let's say I'm counting breaths and I'm not getting into the moment. Then I'll switch over to affirmations, or I'll just say words like prosperity. But I'll do that in my mind. I won't say that out loud. You could also hum, so or which helps clear your mind. And if you have a thought in your head when you're trying to breathe, just let it pass on like a cloud. Don't push it out of the way. Just let it move on. But again, if I get bored of that counting breaths, which I usually don't, I will go into affirmations and I will go into a visualization process, which I guess some people would say is not a meditation, but I see it as a meditation, and I feel wonderful after that. So I'll do that for 15 to 20 minutes a day. I'll do another video on meditation because I do a lot. I will then drive to work. If I'm going to work where we build products for one of my Shopify stores for one of my businesses, or I'll stay home for faster internet because I have faster internet here. But if I'm driving, I will go through at least 20 minutes of visualization affirmations, maybe 10. And I'll say an affirmation for each one of these beads, Muda beads, whatever. And even if I don't feel like it, I get pumped up by the end of 10, 20 minutes, and I'm ready for the day. And I'll close my eyes and I'll visualize myself in the car that I desire. At that point, I need some water. This is my third video of the day because I'm feeling good. Okay, so I'll get to work and then I'll just stay. So I put myself on autopilot, which is something I learned from Abraham Hicks, which is just staying happy. Or it's in The Secret too. I'll just stay happy and stay as positive as I can. If something bad happens, I will feel that emotion. I will not push it away. If you push it away, guys, you're going to become a psychotic serial killer. Okay, you won't, but you will go crazy just by suppressing this shit. So don't suppress it. Feel the emotion. If you're having a bad day, feel it. That's just the universe testing you. You'll get over it, and you'll be stronger for it. But try and stay positive. Try and stay happy. Try and stay cool-headed, and you will attract more and more amazing miracles. And I'll say an affirmation here and there. I'll be thankful for my food, show gratitude. I'll do the same thing driving home. And then when I get home, I will go to the gym, because if I don't go to the gym, I get very anxious. Rest days is different, but it really helps with my anxiety. And I could do another video on my routine in the gym. And then after that, I will hang out with the girlfriend, have food. We'll say a prayer before meals, usually, and we'll do a customized one, usually involving prosperity and stuff like that. What we want, we pretend we already have it, or not pretend, but feel that we already have it, and say stuff like it's on its way or something, or we'll say something we're grateful for. Or if we're having troubles with an issue, we'll ask for guidance, because God, the universe is our divine navigator. God is our divine navigator. So ask him or her, the universal power, ask it for help. Okay. And after that, usually my girlfriend Lisa will go to sleep, and I usually stay up working more because I'm all about that grind. You have to grind to be an entrepreneur. And I'll answer email, whatever. And before I go to bed, I'll go sit on the couch again, put on the music, and I will do another 15 to 20 minute meditation. If it's really late, I'll do 10 minutes. I'll go to bed, and I do this all the time. I put on Bob's Burgers in the background because I got to have TV going on in the background. And then I will, in my head, I'll visualize myself in my desired home, my desired car. I will smell the leather of the car. I will smell the waves on the beach, the wind. I'll hear the seagulls. And in my head, I'll just say, prosperity, wealth, love. And I'll just keep repeating that. That's from Dr. Joseph Murphy. And then I fall asleep. And boom, your subconscious mind, yo, is just off the hizzy. You're imprinting on your subconscious mind. And the most important times to do it are the morning and night, because that's when your subconscious mind is most open and willing to change and take stuff. So guys, that is my daily routine. It does change sometimes depending on what I'm doing. And obviously in the car, I'm always listening to an audiobook on law of attraction, self-development, always trying to learn, picking up new artists that I've never heard before, smaller ones, or authors, smaller authors. Doesn't mean I don't listen to music. I do sometimes when I get tired of listening to books. I'm human. But yeah, guys, I'll probably do more videos on my daily thing, like what I do on vacation and stuff like that. But that is it for this video, guys. I hope this helped. I hope you found something that you can do and that you realize that law of attraction people are humans. There's when you watch them on YouTube, it feels like there's just, like they I'm not being rude, but like they poop gold or something and they don't have problems. They do. Aaron Dowdy talks about his troubles. Jake Ducey talks about his troubles. Those guys are awesome. But then some pretend like, they have no issues and stuff. I guess. I don't know. So I hope this helped. It's a very practical way to use the law of attraction, and it works tremendously. It works so freaking well. Hope that helps, guys. Please hit that subscribe button if you like videos like this and you want to see more videos. Hit that notification bell to receive more awesome videos like this right when they come out so you don't miss it. Comment down below, what are you currently manifesting right now? Be brave. Say, I am so happy and grateful now that I have, be, do, go, wherever, whatever you want. Say it in the comments below. Show us that you're serious about this. Show the universe that you're serious. And hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Guys, I love you so much. I'm going to start working on other things now. I hope you have a wonderful day.